Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could revolutionize your home entertainment system with a single device? The Sonos amp is here to make that a reality. This powerful amplifier is designed to power all your entertainment needs, from vinyl and CDs to streaming and video games. With its versatile connectivity options, you can connect everything from your turntable and stereo to your wired speakers, and even power outdoor speakers to expand your entertainment space. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional performance and convenience. The Sonos amp delivers brilliant sound without compromising space or design, featuring a rack-mountable design with a specially developed heatsink for optimized airflow and heat management. When you connect the amp to your speakers and TV, you can enjoy stereo sound for shows, movies, and video games, and even wirelessly add a pair of Sonos One surrounds for an immersive home theater experience. The sound is rich and detailed, with a depth and clarity that draws you into the action. In real-life use, the Sonos amp is a game-changer, allowing you to stream your favorite music and podcasts with ease, and even control it with your voice. The feel of the device is solid and premium, with a compact design that fits seamlessly into any room. Whether you're a music lover, a movie buff, or a gamer, the Sonos amp is the perfect solution for you, offering a level of flexibility and convenience that's hard to find in other amplifiers. With its exceptional sound quality and versatility, the Sonos amp is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment experience. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.